have serious breakfast envy. Now, while I'm standing over a bowl of cold cornflakes, the Sicilians have it all figured out. There in the morning, they're having a sweet little bun alongside a ball of freshly made Granita. Now, sometimes it's coffee flavored or nut flavored or fruit flavored, and it all gets washed down with a hot espresso. Perfect for a summer day and perfect for me. Elle is here and she's going to show us how to make this great dessert.
That's right. We're going to make berry Granita. It takes very little effort, not many ingredients, and no special equipment.
We're the special equipment.
We brought our special equipment. All right, so we're going to start with 1 pound of raspberries and blackberries here in the blender. And the thing that sets Granita apart from its cute cousin sorbet is the sugar content.
Right.
We found that 1/2 cup of sugar is actually the sweet spot. Too much sugar would not allow it to freeze. Now I have a little pinch of salt here and 3/4 cups of water. And finally, 1/4 cup of lemon juice to really make these berries pop.
Bright and sassy.
That's how I like my berries. Everything's in there. So we're just gonna blend this on high for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right, that's been about 2 minutes. It's looking pretty pureed there.
It's looking gorgeous.
Okay, so I'm gonna strain this into our 13 by 9 glass dish. And this is just to get out any seeds and skins.
Yes.
Right, we want smooth. All right. So we're using glass because we're gonna do a lot of scraping of this Granita as it's freezing, and we don't wanna scrape the aluminum, right?
Right.
The other reason is that the glass creates an insulation between itself and the counter, so the Granita does not melt quickly while we're trying to serve it.
Very smart.
Yeah. We're all set here. We're gonna put this Granita in the freezer for an hour.
Okay. Take our recipes and reviews wherever you go with the America's Test Kitchen mobile app.
Fail-proof recipes, unbiased equipment reviews, how-to videos, and a vibrant community of like-minded home cooks.
With smart searching and handy tools, you'll have everything you need to create the most amazing meals.
Download the America's Test Kitchen mobile app today.
Okay, Bridget, this is what our Granita looks like after 1 hour in the freezer. You'll notice that the edges are frozen, but the middle is a little slushy.
A little slushy.
Yes, it's gonna require a bit of stirring, and we're gonna just bring these frozen edges to the center. I like to break all the edges up first.
This is super important for Granita to get that right texture.
Yeah.
You want to catch it before it solidifies into a giant block?
Yes, I like how that's looking so far. All right, so I'm gonna do this same process every 30 minutes to an hour for 2 to 3 hours.
Okay.
Okay, back in the freezer. So, Bridget, it's been 3 hours and look at our Granita.
It's a big difference.
It is a big difference. The color is beautiful. We still have to scrape it with the fork to loosen it up a little bit, but it's so tender and soft. I can't believe this is how people are eating breakfast around the world.
What a great way.
I know, what a way.
We've got tang and that's what they're doing?
Just as a reminder, you can make Granitas with any berries that you want. It's customizable. You can also add like lemon or ginger or Prosecco.
Yes.
So this is all scraped. I'm gonna serve us up some Granita.
That is beautiful.
It's so light and fluffy. Great texture. Ready to celebrate?
Yes.
Ah, there we go. A little splash for you. A little splash for me. Cheers.
What an elegant dessert. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Cheers. Those ice crystals, a little bit crunchy.
Yes.
A little bit chewy.
Yeah.
Very slushy.
Yeah, very slushy. And that lemon juice really did make these berries pop. It's amazing.
This is gorgeous.
Well, thank you.
I'm reconsidering my cornflakes big time right now. So if you want to make this absolutely beautiful berry Granita, process 1 pound of berries with just 1/2 cup of sugar. Use a glass pan to freeze the mixture, and use a fork to stir ice crystals right back into the center. So from America's Test Kitchen, the effervescent, the bracing, the super fresh berry Granita. You can get this great recipe and all the recipes from this season, along with select episodes and product reviews. Those are all on our website. That's americastestkitchen.com/TV. I shall slash another scoopful.
We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our test kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.